And should be a good day out there to do some snow cleanup, but then big changes coming, Lisa.
Yeah, we've got a first alert weather day for tomorrow. I've raised that because we are looking at some big changes ahead of us. So be thinking about that as you are making your plans for the week. Today may be the day that you take care of what you need to, because that's going to start changing how it feels to be outside. And we're looking at some snow associated with it too. This is our view outside in Fargo right now. It's pretty quiet for that morning drive. We're looking at decent weather for the morning drive and the afternoon drive. Expect to have some good temperatures, a little bit of light snow that's out there, not seeing it in Fargo right now, and some light wind. And here's a look at our conditions around the valley. Fargo's at 27 degrees right now. It's 20 in Grand Forks. It's 28 in Jamestown, 21 in Bemidji and Fergus Falls, and Devil's Lake checking in at 23 degrees. A lot of places with some mostly cloudy skies, but there are some spots where we have some clearing, allowing us a view of that full moon today. And a look at our wind speeds. They're light. They are less than 10 miles per hour in most areas. Fargo, one of the exceptions, right at 10. We'll see that wind turn northerly, but it just doesn't really have much of an impact on us today. So here's a look at that radar. Fargo, you can see on the edge of your screen here, is quiet, but we're looking over toward Carrington, Jamestown. Radar at least indicating some snow. I've been looking for some indication of that snow reaching the ground. Haven't seen that just yet, but you may be dealing with a little bit of light snow in those areas, and that's something that will be affecting us potentially throughout the morning hours into the afternoon as this kind of slides its way to the south and east. Mostly though, it's more of a mostly cloudy, quiet day on the horizon for us here. And you can see there's a little bit more snow where that came from, up into north of the border, just to the northwest of the Devil's Lake Basin. So we'll be watching that for you. Quick look at your hour-by-hour planner today. We'll see some mostly cloudy skies. We'll have that chance for a few of those flakes to affect us as we go through the day. And heading into the afternoon, more of the same. More temperatures into the 20s, more clouds, a little bit of light wind again out of the north, but maybe only up to about 15 miles per hour. And then we're experiencing a pretty decent drive home for tonight as well. Temperatures teens and some 20s. It's not until late, we've been talking about this, that chance for some snow starting up in our northwestern viewing area late tonight. This is 7 o'clock. Not really seeing anything just yet at that point, but it starts to dip in closer to that 9-10 o'clock hour where we see this clipper approach, and here comes the snow. So as we head into tomorrow morning, we'll be tracking snow right here on the valley today in the north especially, and in the east. And that's just the start of those changes we've been talking about. Expect wind and expect colder air to follow. So bottom line is enjoy today while you can before those changes come.
We sure will. Lisa, thank you this morning.